朝辞白帝彩云间，千里江陵一日还。两岸猿声啼不住，轻舟已过万重山。So I've been in China for 6 years now, and I think I know more and more about Chinese culture. And looking around, oh wait, look, I know what this is. Come, look at this. This is a Chinese instrument. It's like the Chinese violin. This is called an erhu. And then there's like, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, this is very interesting. I thought I knew, but it turns out there's some new instruments here that I've never seen. So I can't wait to speak to them and find out more. So what are these instruments? Is this erhu? 二弦, 2 strings. 三弦, 3 strings. This is 四弦.
Pipa.
Ah, okay. Can I try playing the pipa? Whoa, okay. Have to be very careful, okay? Like this? Is it? Ah, okay. Or maybe Spanish guitar. Fantastic! Wow. Okay, so guys, I have an idea. How about we all perform together? Yes, let's do it. Zhao ci bai di, cai yun jian, 千里江陵一日还。两岸猿声啼不住，轻舟已过万重山。Wow, so that was like a once in a lifetime opportunity. That was fantastic, great experience, and I got to experience Chinese musical instruments. That was great, fantastic.